frustrating day today, guys. Yeah, that AUD Swiss franc trade I was in, obviously ended up having 3 trades running in that. He literally 1 pip away from take profit. I couldn't actually take the profit because I was sleeping, because it happened overnight. And then obviously when I woke up it was pulled back down, but I still expected it to push upside and actually hit my take profit. So I just sat on it, even though I was only like 500 quid off profit, so I should have just took it. But nevertheless, I sat on it, left it, it's come down. It took 2 of them out at break even, and then took the 3rd one out, entered on. It just took that out at a 1% loss. So yeah, overall in that trade, shit, because I should have just took profits when I woke up and it was basically at take profit. I should have just took it and walked away. So I ended up taking a loss on that, even though the first trade on that one, I've been in that for 2 weeks. So that's a bit of a cunt, but yeah, it is what it is. And then, yeah, I took 2 losses on UJ. The setup was perfect, A+ setup. I took another entry on that to try and kind of make up for them break evens and losses on that AUD Swiss franc trade, and then that's just span on me, and that's took me out as well. And then I see a USD CAD trade literally about half hour ago. Oh yeah, pop up on the screen somewhere. But because I was so close to my daily breach limit, I didn't realise. Yeah, that's actually hit take profit, but obviously the tiny bit of drawdown it went into, it breached my daily loss limit. So I didn't actually get any rewards for that. So it took me out of my daily loss limit. I got the email saying I breached my account. The only good thing about E8 is that they give you that buffer. So I lost 2% today. So they just pause your account until tomorrow and say, listen, calm down, chill, relax. But the only annoying thing about that is that it hit take profit. So I could have made 2% back today based off of that 2% loss. So I would have been back to where I was. But it is what it is. I'm not massively down on the account. It's obviously a 50k account, and I'm at 59 something. So I'm still well in a good margin of being at break even. So it's nothing crazy. It's just really frustrating day to day, just because of them AUD Swiss francs trades didn't come through properly, then USD JPY didn't come through properly, and then I could have made all my losses back on that one trade from fucking USD CAD, but because of the daily loss limit, it pulled me back and stopped me out. Not stopped me out, but it just pauses your account, and then they close the trades just to stop you from over trading. So fucks me, even though it's a really good feature on the accounts that I do like. It stops you from over trading, but in this case I would have made my money back. So is what it is. But yeah, that's a little quick update on the account. It's only Tuesday, it's only fucking Tuesday, so a long way to go still. And yeah, I'm going to pick up little man from school now, so yeah, more updates will come within the week. Fingers crossed I can get 1 or 2 winning trades this week and just bring that account back into the positive side, just to end the week pretty strong. But yeah, overall not phased is what it is. Just frustrating. I was in a trade for fucking 2 weeks and then that happened. But yeah, here we go, boys. I'll catch you at the next one.
setups that will just speak to you.
Our boy R10
Right, so
on live
an
stream.
example of it, yeah, is yesterday's trade for me.
Knowledge.
I'm just jumping on stream as I do every day, yeah, just jumping on, just fucking bro, just marking out the charts, chatting to you guys, and as I'm speaking about it, I'm going, bro, this is our massive key level.
Yo, what's good? Yeah, it's Wednesday morning, so looked at the charts this morning. Nothing crazy on the market to be looking at. I have set an order for a GU swing short. Hopefully that comes in. It is slowly ticking up towards my entry point, but whether it actually tags in or not, that's a different story. Yeah, just the overall trend on that at the minute is bearish, so yeah, we'll see how that one goes. And yeah, that's about it really. There's not much else on the table. I've got a few ideas actually on the table, but nothing crazy good, so it might be a day where not much happens, but we'll just see. We'll see how we get on. I'm just trying to make a bit more, not so much vloggy style, but just more accountability videos, keep up to date as the day goes by, maybe 1, 2, maximum 3 videos a day. Slowly build it up, and then on a Friday drop the whole week's worth of videos, and then we've got a nice compilation of videos to get us through the week. But yeah, so far Wednesday morning, start of the week's not been great. I'm down on the account, not massively, you see from the videos earlier. So yeah, nothing crazy, but basically break even, 900 quid off of that. So yeah, we'll just see how we get on, and I will see you soon. Come, little sticky boy, let's go, come. Looking nice and tasty today, let's go. GU trade that I got in this morning, not in a minute, my order's set based off the 4 hour. Yeah, we're just gonna have to see on this one, just to see if we can just pull up and tap into this supply zone, tap us into our entry zone. Fibonacci, we've had the liquidity sweep over to the left and impulse move to the downside breaking structure. I'm just waiting for that return up here to fill in some of this imbalance. Just tag us in for our Fibonacci entry zone. But we'll see, we're getting a consolidation, we might get that manipulation to the upside, tag us in, and then that distribution to the downside. But we'll see how we get on with this one. We'll see. Yes, what's good team? So, Great British Pound CAD trade, stopped out, didn't even go into profit. It tagged me in and just went straight to stop loss. So that one is out. I have been tagged in on Great British Pound US dollar. Tagged in nice Fibonacci around the supply zone, you can see here. So them two confluences line up really well. We've had a beautiful liquidity sweep over here to the left, the breaker structure, which is marked out twice for some reason. And then obviously my Fibonacci, where you know I always get my entry off that. Don't like the impulsiveness of it moving back up here, but nevertheless we've had a consolidation area. We have manipulated that now to the upside and tagged in, like I said this morning, and now I am expecting a rollover to the downside. We do have news in less than half hour's time. At 3 o'clock it comes in, some US dollar news, so we might get hopefully some good news for the dollar, which pushes that downside. So yeah, we'll see how this one goes. Morning team, quick update on the GU trade as I'm driving into the office. Yeah, so yesterday got tagged in, as we see yesterday. I didn't like the way the impulsive move happened back upside towards my entry, so it's tagged us in nevertheless, but major drawdown yesterday, and the yesterday daily candle closed very bullish, which I'm not too excited about. This morning it is back at break even as I'm driving up to the office, so it's around that break even area. Can we carry on the push downside? I don't really know. I'm not too excited about it just because of the way yesterday's candle closed. We have taken Asia lows and pushed a bit further down, so I'm expecting a possible Asia 50% return and then a carry on push downside. But because of yesterday's candle, I am overall expecting GU to push higher and take out the main swing high that I had targeted and me marked out on my range. So we'll see how it gets on. Yeah, there's not really much else to say. I'm not expecting to turn out too good, so if we do end up in profit and even go to a 1R, I might just move my stops to break even just to play it safe, because yeah, it seems like a bit of a risky one there. But we're back at break even, so we'll see how we get on and I'll keep you updated. Okay, so this is where we're at with the trade. We're still hovering around break even. Yeah, once again got that liquidity sweep over to the left, breaker structure to the downside. We have returned to the Fibonacci. We've violated all the supply zones. We was in big drawdown. Now I wasn't happy about it. I don't like it, but now we're back around break even levels, so we'll just see how we are today. I don't like the way this daily candle closed yesterday. As you can see, that is very bullish. So yeah, we could see just an extra push upside, filling some of this fair value gap, and then an extra push upside. But we'll see. If we go into profit and we start moving down here a little bit, I might just move to break even just to play it safe, because I don't really want to lose too much more on this account at the minute. I want to try and gain something back. But yeah, news wise, moving to the other fucking screen, we've got nothing really all day. We've got some AUD news, which doesn't affect me in this trade. And then some Euro all day news, some CPI news, which I don't know, depends what happens with that. I don't really understand that one. I'm not gonna act like I do, so fuck that. But yeah, this is where we're at. A quick update on the GU trades. I closed that down at a little bit of a drawdown, $175. So yeah, that's better than a whole 1% that I would rather not take. So yeah, happy, more happy than I would be if I was to lose a 1% trade. It is what it is. The setup was perfect. It was A+, but I don't like the way that the current market was just sitting around break even all day today, considering yesterday's daily just pushed so bullish and closed bullish. That put me in a lot of drawdown. Then this morning it lined back up around break even level, and I've just been sitting there all day. So it started moving up on my way home from the office. So I was getting more and more drawdown, and I thought I'm just gonna close it. I wanna see when I get into a swing trade like that, once it tags you in, it normally should come through with a lot of volume, and then the trade should just fall into place. It should just start pushing the direction that you want with volume. And it hasn't done that. So yeah, looking at the weekly and the daily, like it's been so bearish over the last fucking forever. So we've got to expect some upside movement, and now I think at the time I actually get in on GU to take shorts, I think it's the time to start buying now. So yeah, it is what it is. I've took a loss. I did just look at the charts before recording this video, and it is going further and further towards my initial stop loss area. So yeah, I could be quids in the sense that I took the loss early. So yeah, £175 or dollars down on the account, extra on the account, sorry. I'm at about 48,000 now on this 50k account. It is what it is, but we keep going strong. Fuck it, eh? We're gonna on to tomorrow. We'll see how we go, and probably on to next week, because tomorrow's probably not going to be looking good. I did check the charts before leaving the office, and I ain't gonna lie, the charts look fucking shit. They didn't look like nothing was lining up for me for tomorrow. I will obviously look tomorrow. I will get some video content for tomorrow just to finalise the week, but it's looking absolute wank. So probably going to be on to next week. I'll do my usual market breakdown video, and then I'll start recording my videos again from Monday. I quite enjoyed doing these fucking weekly videos, so, and then putting it all together. I haven't really enjoyed the editing, but my guess is that it will get easier as time goes on and better. So yeah, I hope you've been enjoying it. Enjoy me lose, because I've been enjoying watching it, I suppose, or making it, but I've not been enjoying the losing. So it is what it is. We're going to see how we get on in the future. Account's not lost. It's still very minor drawdown. So yeah, I'll catch you soon. Sweet. Okay, so a quick little update this morning. I don't know what time it is. What time is it? It's fucking something past 7, I think. Yeah, 28 past 7, half 7 basically. But yeah, it looks like I was lucky to take off that GU trade yesterday, as it's just blown through my original stop loss position place. So yeah, that was off the table. Luckily I got out around once this first blue candle closed, so that's done. So happy days, that's wrapped up. Happy with that result, as I kind of see that it was going to keep going upside. Looking at the charts this morning, fucking hell, they don't look like there's much. I'm still overall in this range here, from here to here, this AUD Swiss franc trade. I'm looking for some sort of buys. I might see something down here on a 15-minute if we just look down here, following the order flow. We've got a liquidity sweep here, breaker structure, and this was very impulsive, which I like. So I'm expecting a pull down, and I might get in something here, maybe target a 3R, but we'll see how that one goes. But yeah, I've not actually set the order yet. I'm just going to see how this plays out in this morning, and see if we can get a little rollover to the upside. I'll watch this one closely. USD CAD, I'm not in this is just a marker, and I don't like the ways it's just come back down. But if we look at the daily, it is a wick above here, so that's took liquidity, and I think that's going to roll over as well. I think that's going to come down, break these lows, and then push lower for a while, because we are in a high of a long-term range. So yeah, I'm expecting a big rollover on this one as well. And then EuroCAD, same thing. It's not actually placed, it was just the idea set there because of this range here. We've come up into the Fibonacci area for me, which I've not marked out, but it's there, and it looks like that's going to carry on going upside as well. So yeah, a lot of things are just overextended from ranges. So yeah, we're just going to see how we go with this, see how we get on, and yeah, I'll keep you updated. Okay, so quick update, USD CAD. I have jumped in on this hourly close. If you just look closely here, this hourly close here, I like the way it closed. Quite a fucking thing. Yeah, I like the way it closed. I am in a little bit of profit, but overall, the trade is up, pushing upside. I just want to see some highs get taken. That could be a final target, but that's just an idea. I just want some of these internal highs to be taken. Even up to this level here would be nice, but we'll see. I'm going to keep a close one on this one today. It's the only trade I'm going to have running today by the looks of it. But yeah, I'm in this one, and I'll keep you updated. Yeah, little update on the USD CAD. Just dropped little man off to school, and US CAD is running in minor profit. So yeah, we'll take that so far. Sitting there, going to keep a close eye on this one today, because this will probably be the final trade that I take this week. USD Swiss franc, I haven't looked at that to see if there is an entry possible for me. But no panic, I'm not going to over panic today. This week is going to be a negative week. So be it. On to next week. But yeah, I'll just keep you updated through today, and then I'll do a little video later, just running over my E8 account and where I'm at overall once this USD CAD trade is closed out, whether it's stop loss, take profit, or minor profit. So yeah, that's the update so far. Still early in the morning, just gone 8 o'clock. Coming up to 9, should I say? Not even just gone 8 o'clock, coming up to 9. So yeah, we'll see where we go from here. Let's go. Alright team, so USD CAD is rolling in profit. We're about 1R in the green, which is nice to see. So we're up at 1R. I've rolled my stops at break even just because this week has been a negative week, so I want to just lock in not getting stopped out. So we're up a couple hundred quid, it was only half a risk, so it's about 250 quid up at the minute. We're at 1R, I've rolled to break even. I'm just going to see where it rises to now till the end of the day. So yeah, I'll keep you posted on the updates on that one. Okay, good evening. It's Friday the 29th of November, the end of the week. And yeah, so what you're looking at here is USD CADs. This is the trade I got in this morning. I got in due to this leg here. Obviously I did say in the earlier videos that we had this liquidity sweep, so I am expecting a rollover, but I was going to try and catch a little move today. So I got in on this candle here. We've moved in profit all day, and then I rolled my stops to a little bit of profit just under this candle here. So it was around, I can't remember, it was like fucking 50 quid profit. So it stopped me at 50 quid profit. Is what it is. Happy days. I've took 50 quid back out of the market in the day, do you know what I mean? So yeah, so like I said earlier, this week's going to be a negative week. So yeah, got to take that one on the chin. Going over to the actually chart wise, I haven't really looked at the charts yet, but what have I been looking at today? Euro CAD, yes, that potentially could drop now. Aussie dollar, Swiss franc is still messing about. I was looking for a buy, and I did mention this one earlier, and I didn't get in it in the end, which was lucky because my stops was going to be at this low here after this extension upside. I was going to get in on the Fibonacci around this area, but obviously it's come down and now it's moving upside. But yeah, I didn't end up getting in on that one, so that's fine. But moving over to the E8 account, we are now down on it, not massively. Obviously it looks crazy from these lines because I've been in profit and I've come back down and back to break even and back down again. I've been very up and down with it. You know what, I still can't get the angle of actually how to fucking look at this thing. Right, so current result, I'm 2.7k down, I think. I don't really know. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, so I'm 2.7k down. So that's one trade basically. Two trades, sorry. Fucking hell, 2 trades away from just being back around break even / profit. So once again, I've been in this position once, and now I'm back here again. Just need that 1 or 2 good trades, and I'm back into the positive. So yeah, it's not much else to report on this week. It's overall been a bit of a shitty week. Would have been very positive if I took the AUD Swiss franc profits when I should have took them. Just quickly go over it now before I close this weekly video to an end. But I got in off this higher time frame fib. My target was up here. It come up 1 or 2 pips away from take profit. Then obviously I woke up and it was down here. I should have just took profit, but I didn't. I held out and it's come down and tanked. It is what it is. And yeah, I will be doing my weekly breakdown on Sunday, and I will be carrying on my videos from Monday, just building up for week 2. Fingers crossed. Fingers fucking crossed. Week 2 is going to be better. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, and thank you for watching the journey.